PAX Gold could advance 2.9% by March 27, according to Gov Capital Collector's projection. We'll start with how things are shaping up on the chart today. As we begin, PAX Gold has fallen 2.8% since yesterday and is priced near $4,434.80. Let's pull up the analysts' expectations. According to Traders Union, a downward push to $4,385.68 by March 27 is likely, dropping around 1.1%. Coin price forecast indicates PAX Gold might approach $4,446, representing a gain of 0.3%. Digital coin price notes the price could advance to $4,503.87, marking an increase close to 1.6%. Another outlook from Gov Capital Collector sees PAX Gold advancing to $4,564.75, a rise of approximately 2.9%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions targets $4,624.80 by March 27, representing a rise of 4.3%. This forecast has the highest earning potential. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. After going through all 5 forecasts, here's the numeric view. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a decrease of 1.1% to an increase of 4.3%, depending on the analyst. So in the end, Crypto Predictions has the top forecast with 4.3% gain in value by March 27. In short, you could pocket between $3 and $43 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, coin price forecast ranks highest with a 77.7% chance of success. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've mapped out a consensus path. The consensus scenario has PAX Gold moving up to around $4,505.02, reflecting a 1.6% improvement. Let's peel back the layers. The consensus forecast shows a possible price increase of 1.6% by tomorrow. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $16 in return. In practical terms, the chance of the consensus forecast for PAX Gold proving accurate is around 64.5%. To move things along, let's check the 3-day outlook as expected by analysts. Traders Union expects the chart to tilt downward. Coin price forecast highlights stability, pointing out that PAX Gold is unlikely to shift significantly. Digital coin price suggests the direction is clearly higher. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector highlights that PAX Gold could head higher. Crypto Predictions sees PAX Gold on a downward slope. By combining the forecasts, the consensus points to PAX Gold trading sideways in the short term. In summary, the majority of forecasts point to an upward path for PAX Gold. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. In the end, the last candle closed at $4,500.40. Yesterday showed that only one forecast pointed to the right side of the move. From an accuracy standpoint, CoinCodex was the closest. Let's lay it out step by step. Not a single forecast landed within the daily boundaries. Speaking of ROI, the single profitable result was 2.1%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. As indicated in the data, CoinDataFlow achieved minus 2.1% ROI and $200.43 accuracy. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. In this ranking, PAX Gold falls below the leader as Avalanche holds 2.1% expected performance. At this stage, PAX Gold is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table of returns and long-term analyst results will soon go live on my site and Telegram. If this made things clearer for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next cycle.